This video is how to save your work to the cloud, especially in SketchUp. You might have a lot of work you want to do on your files, but you don't want to carry a flash drive with you. You can save it to your Office 365 account. So you go over to the myvolutionschools.org page. You sign into your vPortal account. Make sure you're signing into your vPortal, not your partners if you have one. And you want to go to something called Office 365. So click on that tile. It's going to take you to all these different apps, like PowerPoint, Word. We're going to use something called the OneDrive. All right, this is your cloud hosting service. So we're going to go to the OneDrive. And you may already have a whole bunch of files that you didn't know you had. And I've got a whole bunch of different folders too. You're going to actually make a new folder. So you're going to click this new button right here. And you want to make a new folder. And you can name it something that will represent your SketchUp files. So I'm going to call it SketchUp 2018 to 2019. And maybe files. And click create. And it might have to scroll down a little bit. There we go. This is my new folder that I just made. So this is in my cloud. I'm now ready to save. So you make some changes to whatever project you're working on. Maybe add this little piece right here. And now I'm ready to save. Alright, so I go up to File, Save As. And before you used to just click Documents and save it. But now we have to go to our OneDrive. So if you, I can expand this a little bit. Here we go. OneDrive-Volusia County Schools. Click it. Find the folder you just made. So mine was SketchUp 2018-2019 files. And I have nothing saved in there yet. So this is what I'm going to save to. How to save to the cloud example. Make sure, just leave it as SketchUp model and click save. Now this should be saved into my 365 account. So I'm going to hopefully see if it's there. So I'm going to close out of this. I'm going to close out of this. And I'm going to go back through the process and make sure it still works. So I went to my Volusia County Schools account, vPortal. Now I'm going to look for the Office 365 tile. And I want my OneDrive, which is my cloud. And I want that new folder that I made, SketchUp 2018-19 files. SketchUp 2018-19 files. About a minute ago it was updated or modified. Here's my example. So now I can sign into any computer, go to my vPortal, go to Office 365, OneDrive, and now I can download this file from there. Alright, so now it says it's ready to be opened, so I click it, open it, start. It should have the file that I just saved in it. Here it is. Now if you make any changes to this, let's say I modify this a little bit, and I go to save it again and update it, File, Save As. If I just click Save As, it's going to save it to my Downloads folder on my desktop. You need to go back to the OneDrive, go back to your folder, and where it says your other file, your original file, you can either click and replace that, or if you made any changes to it, you can just put 2.0 and save. Make some more changes, you can save it as 3.0. Make some more changes, you can save it as 4.0. Or you can just keep replacing that file over and over again. Do a one test file to see how it all works. Make sure you get the hang of it before you keep trying it from any other computer. If you got any questions, let me know.